In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a hyperlink in PowerPoint. If you've ever wanted to include links in your presentations to make them more dynamic, or to connect your audience with additional resources, you're in the right place. I'll guide you through each step to ensure you can do this smoothly and easily. Let's start by opening PowerPoint on your computer. It's important to have the PowerPoint presentation that you're working on ready to go. Once you've got that open, take a moment to look through your slides and decide where you'd like to add your hyperlink. You can link anything from a picture to a piece of text or even a unique shape within your presentation. Now go ahead and click on the image, text, or shape you want to hyperlink. Make sure you select it clearly so that PowerPoint knows exactly where you intend to place your link. The selection process is pretty straightforward. Just click on it and you'll see a border or handles appear around it. Next, head over to the top of your PowerPoint window and click on the Insert tab. This is where you'll find all the options to add new elements to your slide, including our focus for today, the hyperlink function. Once you are in the Insert tab, you'll want to locate the link option. It might look like a chain or simply be labeled as link depending on your version of PowerPoint. Once you've clicked on link, a menu will pop up, allowing you to select Insert Link. This is where the magic happens. You'll be prompted to type in the web address you want your audience to be directed to when they click on the hyperlink. Make sure you type in the full address correctly, starting with HTTP or HTTPS, so the link functions properly. This might seem like a small step, but it's crucial for ensuring your link works as intended when you're presenting. After you've entered the web address you want to link to, simply click on OK to finalize the process. PowerPoint will now attach this hyperlink to your selected item, and you'll be able to test it by hovering over the item and clicking to ensure it takes you to the right place. And there you have it, a hyperlink successfully added to your PowerPoint presentation. This is a great way to enrich your slides and keep your audience engaged by directing them to additional resources, videos, websites, or any other content on the web. Don't hesitate to practice this a few times to get comfortable with how it works. Adding links can really elevate the interactivity of your presentations and provide more value to your viewers. Thank you for tuning in and happy hyperlinking.